have performances and yeah, weird stuff.
It's about confusing people with our interventions in the streets, and those are just the next pages are just a few keywords which we kind of embed or use as a base for our work. So we came up with this idea of calling it social sustainability to include people in a manufacturing process. So it's hard to explain at all, but it will be easier later on when we have the projects which are connected to those pictures. But it's always some kind of event when we produce things, I think.
Trying to include people in the production process.
So everybody can make it at home. While cooking, you can also steam bend something. So we just use tea kettles from our grandmothers, and these things, I don't know the English name, but you know it's boiling water. And this is actually a tube from the stove, and a tube from the garden. And basically that's it, that's all you need. And then we bend things, and we just bend, I think we have 5 forms where we always bend different shapes. And then we take it apart and arrange it like you arrange a Lego or any kind of modular. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Modular toys? No, modular. Yeah, system of
Forms.
So this, what I want to say is that we have curves, and then we cut it like we need it, and then we just assemble it in any way we would like. And this is the last thing we did, and we tried to. We didn't really plan what the outcome will be. We just want to do this together with people and see what happens. So we did it one time, and this thing came out, and we will do it tomorrow, maybe at the festival if you like. We can celebrate it, and then we will see what comes out there. So basically, yeah.
We want to use it now, broken furniture or some any other garbage stuff to combine it with this technique to make a second life object out of it. We are making tea, I think.
Yeah, we want to boil water for making tea and sausages at the same time. And I don't know if it's cold there, but we can also use the steam to heat the particular area. Maybe we can work together and build a small chef or something with steam heat. So basically that's it. Yeah. And apologies for those.